In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome account. This is a useful skill, especially if you share your computer with others or simply want to switch between personal and professional accounts with ease. To get started, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. You'll typically find it on your desktop or in your Applications folder, depending on whether you are using a Windows or Mac machine. Once you have Chrome open, look for the profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking this icon will give you access to the different account options. When you click on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear, showing the account currently signed in. Below this, you'll see a list labeled Other People. This is where you'll find other user profiles, if they have been set up. If you are aiming to switch to another account that is already listed, you can simply click on that profile name. This will immediately switch the browser to the previously signed-in state of the selected account, along with its bookmarks, history, and settings. If the account you'd like to switch to is not set up, click on Add at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will prompt you to create a new profile. You'll see a window where you can enter a name for this profile and decide whether you want to create a desktop shortcut. This can be handy if you frequently switch between accounts and prefer quick access. After you've made your choices, hit Add to create the profile. Once the new profile is created, Chrome will prompt you to sign in to the Google account you want to use for this profile. Enter the credentials for your desired Google account and sign in. After signing in, Chrome will set up your environment with all the bookmarks and settings associated with that account. If you're transitioning between accounts frequently, it's worth knowing that having multiple profiles will not only save you time, but will also keep your browsing history, bookmarks, and saved tabs organized without overlapping between different accounts. To return to your original account, or any other account, just go back to the profile icon and select the account you wish to switch to from the list. This will redirect you and load the profile details specific to that account. Finally, if you ever need to remove a profile, you can do so by clicking Manage People from the profile icon drop-down. From there, simply hover over the profile you want to delete and click the three dots. Then, select Remove this person to delete it permanently. That's it. Now you're ready to seamlessly switch between Google Chrome accounts whenever you need to. Whether it's for work or personal browsing, this approach helps keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing.